How to use promo code on Dick's Sporting Good. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to use promo code on the Dick's Sporting Goods retail shop. For that, you first need to head over to their official website. Once you land on this page, you're going to have to add certain items to your cart, but before you do that, you can just go ahead and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, all you have to do is scroll down, find the item that you want to add to cart. So let's just continue on with this. Click on the product. Once you click on the product, you can just add this to your cart. Select the product, and then from there, you can add your product to your cart. Click on it to see its details. And then from here, select your size. So let's just go on with this. And once you select your size, click on Add to Cart. Once you add the product to your cart, click on Go to Cart. And finally, once you are here, before you check out, you'll have all of these options like entering your shipping address. And then before you proceed to check out, here you'll see an option to enter promo codes. But if you don't see this here, you can find it after you click on Proceed to Checkout. Simply enter all of your information like your shipping address, your contact, and email, phone number. And once you get to the payment page here, you can add your card details. And right before you check out, you have an option to add a promo code. Click on it and then click on promo codes option. And just go ahead and enter your promo code and click on apply promo code. And you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.